this lesson, you'll learn one of the most important action verbs in English. Most learners get this wrong, so pay attention. Today you'll learn 6 essential daily action verbs: eat, sleep, work, study, run, and drive. The first verb is eat. Eat means to put food in your mouth and swallow it. For example, I eat breakfast every day. She eats rice for lunch. They eat together at home. He eats fast in the morning. We eat dinner at 7. Eat your food slowly. She eats fruit every day. I eat at my desk. He eats a big meal. They eat outside on Sundays. Repeat after me. This is very common. The second verb is sleep. Sleep means to rest your body and close your eyes. For example, I sleep at 10 o'clock. She sleeps 8 hours a night. He sleeps on the sofa. They sleep early on weekdays. I sleep well every night. She sleeps in on Sundays. He sleeps with the light off. We sleep after a long day. The baby sleeps all morning. I sleep before midnight. Listen carefully. Don't forget this. The third verb is work. Work means to do a job or task. For example, I work every day. She works in an office. He works very hard. They work from home now. We work 5 days a week. I work in the morning. She works with a great team. He works long hours daily. They work on big projects. I work and study together. Repeat after me. This is very important. The fourth verb is study. Study means to learn something carefully. For example, I study English every day. She studies at the library. He studies before every test. They study hard for school. We study together at night. I study for 2 hours. She studies on her phone. He studies grammar and vocabulary. They study in a quiet room. I study and take notes. Repeat after me. This is very common. The fifth verb is run. Run means to move fast on your feet. For example, I run every morning. She runs in the park. He runs 5 kilometers daily. They run after school together. We run to stay healthy. I run before breakfast. She runs fast and far. He runs with his dog. They run on the weekend. I run and feel great. Listen carefully. Don't forget this. The sixth verb is drive. Drive means to control and move a vehicle. For example, I drive to work daily. She drives a red car. He drives very carefully. They drive to school together. We drive on long trips. I drive in the morning. She drives her kids to school. He drives on the highway. They drive every weekend. I drive and listen to music. Repeat after me. This is very important. That's it for today's lesson. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video.